English tip number 3. Looking forward to. Here are sentences that I want you to take a look at. I am looking forward to meet you. I am looking forward to meeting you. Which one sounds right? The correct answer is, I am looking forward to meeting you. Do you know the reason why? Now listen carefully. First, let's know the meaning of looking forward to something. This means to be excited about something good to happen. Let's go back to the sentence. I am looking forward to meeting you. I is the subject. Am looking forward to is what we call the phrasal verb, which means a verb with 2 or more words forming a new idiomatic meaning, while meeting you functions as gerund. Gerunds are nouns that look like verbs, like the word meeting. Meet is a verb plus ing. I'll share with you the rules. Looking forward to is a phrasal verb, and when you use it in a sentence, it should be followed by a noun. Like this example, I am looking forward to your wedding. Wedding is a noun. Another rule is phrasal verb plus pronoun. Like this sentence, I am looking forward to that. That is an example of pronoun. And of course, this last rule, which is phrasal verb plus gerund. I am looking forward to meeting you. I want to make this clear. To is part of the phrasal verb. Don't confuse it with the infinitive to meet. So, the following sentences are perfectly fine. You may also change the subject, but make sure that the linking verb is correct. Number 1, he is looking forward to seeing you. Number 2, she is looking forward to getting her first salary. Number 3, they are looking forward to receiving the gifts. And number 4, we are looking forward to watching For My Kids' next video. If you learned something new today, I would be glad if you click like, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot!